got 1, 2, and 3 projects that I've completed that I don't know when I'm gonna upload it. Well, I'm gonna upload it soon, but schedule it for like 3 weeks or a month. Due to the fact that my music licensing subscription have expired. Alright. Is this like too far, right? Like there's a huge space between me and the camera. It's like a huge space. I need to figure out a way to fix this. Anyway, probably just wait. Probably just gonna use this cup, put it here, so I am more closer to the camera. Yeah, something like that. So anyway, I have people who are following my channel, like regular viewers come in and out of the channel, my YouTube channel, watching my vlog, knows that last video I talk about my studio, which is right there. The name is somewhere up there. Yeah, that is my studio. But as I was editing my last video, I find out that I kind of find out that the room is so compact, and there was like feedback when I was talking. My voice had like feedback, so I'm trying to figure out what it is yet. I just done editing my vlog, the previous vlog, so I found out about this problem. So I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what is giving back the feedbacks. So anyway, I'm gonna do that later. Today is Thursday and it's training time, so I'm gonna head to Alabang, do some rugby training, and then later tonight I'll come and work out whatever is happening on the studio that causes the feedback and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that after I come back from training. Then usual stop 7-Eleven. Last time I came to get Sting, so I thought I bought Sting, but I have this one. Now I know why. I was reaching for this, but I got this one. And Coke. No. this vlog is not about the training. I'm just gonna show the boys and then head back to the house. Hi, just got back from training. Thank you, Timmy, for the dinner. I'm having dinner with KFC. Last time we went to KFC, they didn't accept card, so today we justified that. Anyway, let me just have dinner and then do all the other vlogging thing. Just finished dinner. I haven't showered yet, still in my old training clothes. Anyway, so the plan for today is I have to figure out what's up with the feedback from the room, the previous vlog that I did. And I have some weird theory about why giving the feedback. So I'm just gonna do that today and then tonight, and then I'm trying to set up the camera in different variation of the room because of the theory that I have why we are having feedback. So this is kind of my setup right now, which I'm facing that way. The door is this way coming out. So let me just show you guys what I think is happening. So right here, these are my markers for my tripod. I'm using this tripod. I'm setting up the light on it. So now my theory is because of this hollow space. So my theory is this hollow space. This one and this one and this one and this one. I moved all my hygiene thing here because weirdly, ever since I recreate this place, making it to a studio, I've been spending like 90 to 95% of my day here. So I just moved like all my hygienic stuff here also. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is this hollow. So my theory is, all right. So this is me. I still have good air. All right, this is me, and this is the cupboard. All right, having all this, it's only 2 space. Shush. Anyway, this is like the cupboard thingy. Right, goes all the way down. So I set up my camera here and I'm talking this way towards the camera. Now, my theory is all my voice going in. Right, my voice are going into this hollow space, this one, and then bouncing off back to the camera here. So this one goes and bounce off to the camera. So that's actually my theory of why I'm having the feedback, because of the hollow space. So my voice goes in and bounce out. So that's the idea. So I don't know, even talking like this, I don't know if it's echoing. I'll try to check. I will try to set up here and then shoot all the way back. That means that this hard work was for nothing, sort of. So yeah, so I think my voice gonna go there and got observed by this curtain thingy, so it won't do the bouncing back thing. So let me just set up the old camera thing and test it out for a while. Alright, this is the original position that I had the feedback. Now I can't hear the feedback until I put the thing in to the laptop. So from the camera sounds perfect, but when I put it on the laptop, that's where the feedback and the reverb comes in. Alright, position 2. I can still hear echo, so I think it's the room, it's too cluster. But yeah, this is position number 2, facing the window. So hopefully my voice go and the window can observe it. So alright. Anyway, this is position 3. Hopefully it works now. Alright. Anyway, it comes to a conclusion that the room is too small. Weirdly, maybe because my room inside there's like bunk bed, so it deflects all the feedback, and that room has nothing inside, just an empty room, so it gives all those feedback. So basically my voice just bounce off. Wait. So basically when I'm talking, my voice just bounce on the wall, coming back, on the wall, coming back, even going up there and bouncing back, even to this side and go back in. Hence the reason why all those feedback. So I decided to, I think I'll move outside here and set up my only the camera here. I will still use that for all my kind of arty work like this, and editing. The table will be in there. Here, just for the head talk, monologue. So now I have to fix that area up and put some lighting and make it presentable. Yeah, that's the word, presentable. All right, so well, this will be my new setup. I'm gonna change this window curtain and put blackout curtain or something. But yeah, this is my new setup. It's said that I have to leave the studio, but I'm gonna make it a creative studio than a YouTube studio. So that's where I do all my arts and craft, and I put like, bird eye view diagram camera to shoot that. I actually have like furnitures that I bring in that I have to build that stuff in. So this room is becoming that artistic room that I was dreaming about. So I have like my tools in there. I have got some timber last night from this highway. They hang up like banners and all, and then I don't know, it got damaged, so I pull out all the timbers, lumber, American viewers, and bring it here. So I'm gonna add more lighting, and I'm gonna find an orange light for this one. There's those light where you switch it on, switch it off, and it gives different lighting. I have that blue light there, so work in progress. I'm not gonna do any more vlog about this studio thingy. It's just, it sucks that I'm not gonna be in that room filming, but it's good that I actually have a separate room for editing and all the artsy crafty work, and I'll sleep in that one. And maybe sometimes when I need a table, I'll put the table here, and then after the shooting, I'll bring the table inside again, or I'll get a new table. Still 50-50. As I've said, I don't know if I'm gonna be permanently staying here, get a roommate, or move out. Apparently right now I cannot afford the rent here. Godspeed. Anyway, see you on the next one.